I wanted to try this method with HelloFresh pasta meal to just make the pasta in one pan rather than boiling everything in different pots and pans. So I'm going to first I coated the pan with some oil and now I'm spreading out the pasta amongst the bottom of it. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water. Don't worry, I will add more water later. And I have seasoned the chicken, cut it up, and I'm going to spread that out evenly along the top of the pasta here. And as the chicken cooks, the drippings will drop on top of the pasta. Now I'm adding the garlic as well as the sauce that HelloFresh provided. And then I'm going to add the herbs as well as the chicken. I'm not chicken, tomatoes that were provided. Now, tomatoes have a lot of water in them, so just remember that, as well as the seasoning that HelloFresh provided. I love adding truffle oil to pastas, it helps enhance the flavor. And then I'm going to add butter chunks and spread that out throughout the pan. And then I will add 1 more cup of hot water just to make sure there's enough liquid and moisture in the pan. I'm going to cover it and bake it for on 350 for about 30 minutes, and it came out absolutely amazing. It was so good, creamy, and guess what? I only had one pan to clean up, what made it so much easier to do. More videos on my channel. Make sure you check them out.